Here's Hudson, here's Taylor. Are you ready? Sing a Bible story. Hello, Taylor.
Hello, Hudson.
Hello, everybody. Hey, I've got a joke. Where do you take a horse when it has an accident?
I don't know. Where do you take a horse when it's had an accident?
A hospital.
Oh, I've got one. If a pig has a sore nose, what do you rub on it?
I don't know. What do you rub on a pig's sore nose?
Ointment.
Ointment. One more. We all know the noise a donkey makes. It goes ee-aw. But what noise does a donkey make when it walks backwards?
I know. It goes
aw-ee.
Why are we talking about animals? Are there any animals in today's Bible story?
Yes, there is one. A donkey.
Is this another story that Jesus told?
Yes. This one's about a man who came to the rescue.
Now listen carefully, everyone, because Jesus' stories always teach us something important.
Sing the Bible story.
One day, when Jesus was teaching the people, an expert in the law stood up and said, "What must I do to get to heaven?"
Jesus said, "What is written in God's word?"
The man said, "Love the Lord your God with all your heart and soul and strength, and love your neighbour as yourself."
That's right, said Jesus.
But the man wanted to make himself look good, so he asked, "But who is my neighbour?"
Jesus gave his answer by telling a story.
There was a man going down to Jericho. Some robbers beat him up, leaving him half dead.
A religious man came down the road, saw the man lying there, and passed by on the other side.
Then another holy man came along. He saw the man too, lying there, but he did the same. He passed by on the other side of the road.
After a while, another man came along. This man was a Samaritan from the region of Samaria.
When the man saw him lying there, he took pity on him and went straight over to help him. He bandaged the man's wounds, poured oil on to make them better.
The Samaritan man put him on his own donkey and took him to an inn and looked after him.
The next day, he gave money to the innkeeper and asked him to take care of the man until he came back.
Jesus then said to the expert in the law, which of the three men was a neighbour to the man who was beaten up by robbers?
The expert said, "The one who looked after him, the Samaritan."
And Jesus said, "Go and do likewise."
What a great story!
Yes, and we've got a song about it. Everyone can sing the chorus with us. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Love the Lord your God with all your heart. Love the Lord your God with all your soul. Love the Lord your God with all your strength. And love your neighbour as you love yourself. Sing that chorus with us, everyone. Love the Lord your God with all your heart. Love the Lord your God with all your soul. Love the Lord your God with all your strength. And love your you love yourself. Here's the story. I'll sing. Jesus told the story of a man who's on his way to Jericho. He's attacked by robbers and left lying on the side of the road. Soon a man passing by, leaving him lying there. Another goes and does the same. You see, they just don't care. Well, a Samaritan sees him and stops, comforts and cares for him. He does something cool, puts him on his mule, takes him to an inn. Now the message of the story is this: care for one another. Jesus taught us we should love our sisters and our brothers. Oh, love the Lord your God with all your heart. Love the Lord your God with all your soul. Love the Lord your God with all your strength. Yes, and love your neighbour as you love yourself. Last time, everyone. Love the Lord your God with all your heart. Love the Lord your God with all your soul. Love the Lord your God with all your strength. Yes, and love your neighbour as you love yourself. Very good.
So, Hudson, what's the message of the story?
That we should love God and we should love each other.
That's right. If someone needs help, we should care for them.
You know, Taylor, there's something really interesting in the story Jesus told. It was a surprise that one of the three people stopped to help the man, not all three. And that man, the man who did stop, came from Samaria, another place which was unpopular.
Yeah, it shows it just doesn't matter who you are or where you come from. Jesus wants us all to be kind and loving.
Thanks, Taylor. And thanks again, everyone, for joining us for Sing the Bible Story.
Bye!
Bye, Hudson. Bye, Taylor. Till the next time, sing the Bible story.